Yo, you need to understand that there's two types of girls. You're gonna have the girl that's super friendly, super flirty. This is how she gets by in life. This is how she gets what she wants out of men. And then there's the girls that are normal, the ones that you can't read, the ones that have the RBF face. See, you need to understand that there's a clear difference between these two, and it doesn't necessarily mean she likes you. She's just being nice. Now, to distinguish out of the two, the first thing most guys need to do is grow some balls. Look, I can give you every sign under the sun, but at the end of the day, the most effective thing you can actually get are the words that are coming out of her mouth. Meaning, you need to grow a pair of balls, and if you ever have some sort of interest in a girl, and you're there spending countless nights checking her socials to wonder if this girl even likes you, bro, grow some balls, go up to the girl, tell her, yo, this is how I feel, I like you, let me take you out. You're gonna get your clear response then, and now you don't have to be wondering, is she just being friendly or is she just a flirt? Now, if you wanna test the waters without actually having to dive nose deep into the deep end, I got you, bro. Take a step. This would be my second option for those of you that might not be at that level yet. Take a step forward. So let's say you guys are talking. This actually even works sitting down as well, right? Let's say the girl's chilling, she's sitting down, or you guys are standing, you guys are talking, and you take one more step closer to her. See, everybody has a zone of personal space. I think statistically it's about 2 to 4 feet, meaning 2 to 4 feet from my frame. So that's the amount of space I feel comfortable with you at arm's length. Usually that's where girls are at. If you take one step inside of that personal space and you see how she reacts, she'll either flinch, she'll kind of like clench herself, she might close off, she might turn off to the side, or she might take a slight step back. And these are subtle, right? It won't be right in your face. These are signs that she was just being flirty. She was just being nice and you misread the signals. Now, if she doesn't move, she continues to be flirtatious. She might even lean in now, or she takes a step closer. Bro, that's your answer. Your next step would be to ask her to hang out. Maybe you don't want to express your feelings, right? You're not going to tell her you like her. You're not going to tell her she's pretty. You're not going to tell any of that. You're just going to tell her, yo, I want to hang out, right? This would be your next step. It's low risk. You don't have to worry about rejection or how severe it could be. However, it's easy to gauge a woman's interest level. See, if she's always flirtatious, right? She texts you, she might even compliment you here, but every time you tell her, yo, let's do this, or let's meet out anywhere outside of the workplace or school place, and it's always a no, and she never even tries to reschedule, that's your answer, bro. See, these type of girls just love attention and validation, so what they'll do is they'll be friendly and flirtatious to get what they want at that time, and sometimes what they want is attention at that time, and they don't necessarily want you. Just look at her. Look at her. See, eye contact is powerful. And when you look at somebody and they see you looking at them and you guys lock eyes for a good 2 to 3 seconds, right? You guys are locked and then you guys look away. You can tell there's interest right away, right? Especially if she locks eyes with you. She might even do a little grin or a goofy face or something. This is her connecting with you. Now, if you look at her and you notice that she just looks away really quickly or it's as if she's looking right past you, yeah. She ain't that interested, bro. Ultimately takes you to number 5. Like I said, all these are great to test the waters, to test if she's being friendly or if she actually likes you. However, the best one will always be number 1. This 5th one, it gets pretty close, and that's touching her. Breaking that touch barrier is the most euphoric experience a woman can feel if she has feelings for you. In other words, if this girl is really interested in you, just touching her arm, her hand, her thigh, you don't even have to be aggressive, will be euphoric. It'll be exhilarating for her. It'll be like you're sending butterflies down her stomach. That's if there's interest. Now, if the other occurs, if she's just being friendly, right? She's leading you on. She's just toying with you because she wants validation. As soon as you cross that line to touch her, now she feels violated. She'll clench up. She'll tell you, whoa, 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 you might have misread everything. See, when it comes to girls, especially their bodies, they love to feel protected. They'll always be clenched up unless they actually have interest from that singular guy. So doing a simple touch on the arms while you guys are talking, things are good, you guys are laughing, this will tell you right away if she clenches, pulls back, or there's any sort of negative feedback. Yeah, she was just being friendly. You can move on, bro. That's it for your boy today. I don't want you mixing up signals here and getting rejected for no reason. You gotta understand, some girls out here, bro, yo, they'll lead you on with no mercy. That's why I got your back.